Power engineering as a topic is critical to our current civilization and even more important to the way that we're going to build a sustainable future.
The next generation of electrical engineers must be equipped with a new set of skills and expertise because the industry is changing.
It's extremely important to study power engineering because there's a massive global shortage of power engineers, and we need more power engineers to let us decarbonize the power system and transition to a low carbon future.
We have created two programs, the MSc Electrical Power Engineering and the MSc Advanced Power Engineering.
I chose to study power engineering because I want to specialize as an electrical engineer. Having looked at this program, I saw that there were several courses which were related to smart grids and photovoltaics, which would really prepare one to step up into their career and be able to go into the field.
Being a student at the University of Edinburgh gives me the chance to know people from all over the world, and I can learn their cultures and diversities.
Advanced power engineering is so complex and challenging as well as interesting and fun, and as an engineer it helped me to understand how to design solutions as well as contribute to the industry.
The two MSc programs start with the two same semesters of taught materials, which is then followed for the electrical power engineering program with a summer of MSc dissertation, which provide the opportunity to finish within 1 year. And the Advanced Power Engineering program follows on with a full-year MSc project, which is often done with one of our industrial partners.
For-their projects, which we call a grand challenge, can be anything in the area of energy systems. A few examples of some of these grand challenges are the integration of wind energy in the power system, offshore renewables, energy storage, photovoltaics, and everything that is related to generation, transmission, delivery and use of electricity.
The research projects are strongly related to industry, working with some of the leading companies in the sector to develop innovative solutions. This later feeds into the teaching, ensuring that we teach up-to-date material.
At Edinburgh, we teach students a very broad range of topics in the field of power engineering, all the way down from power electronic converter design up to economic modelling of power systems and everything in between. And we have expert lecturing staff that are able to cover that entire breadth of material. In my teaching, I accompany most of my courses with simulation models in professional programs such as Simulink and commonly used programs such as LTSpice, which gives students excellent experience of using that sort of software which they would use in industry.
Our students also have the opportunity to participate in site visits in locations like where we are today at the university's solar photovoltaic farm, and engage with the engineers that designed and are managing the plant and see how it is to work as a power engineer in the real world.
At the University of Edinburgh, we've got facilities for studying a range of practical activities. These specialist resources include a power lab for electrical machines and power systems, a power electronics lab and an electronics development lab where students can work on their hardware projects.
The way that the program helped me think like an engineer was during my dissertation, which was for 1 year, and during this time I was lucky enough to work in a company, and because of this I was able to understand the industry and also learn skills such as decision making, problem solving and critical thinking.
This program not only gives me the professional skills, but also taught me how to think economically, and this is really helpful when I become a real-world engineer.
One teaching approach which I really enjoyed was group work, as we were able to collaborate together and be able to put our ideas together and come up with a solution. And I believe that this is very helpful, not only in our future careers, but also as people who will be able to solve things together and work collaboratively.
I think for students who have just graduated and started their career, it's not easy to apply the textbook knowledge to their practical work. But in the University of Edinburgh, I'm required to think about my projects and assignments like a real engineer. In this way, I can adapt to my work very well.
There's never been a better time to be thinking about a career in electrical power engineering. The technology is changing faster, and the opportunities to make a real-world contribution are so much greater than they have been at any time before.
We really believe that studying electrical power engineering in this marvelous city of Edinburgh, surrounded with our expertise, will be one of the best experiences in your life.